Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in today's class, as per your session, we shall discuss about binomial distribution, Poisson's distribution, and normal distribution. I hope you have listened the name of these three distributions, and the problems are generally based on these distributions. It is said that apply binomial distribution and find the value of this. Apply Poisson's distribution and find the value of this. Apply normal distribution and find the value of this. So, what is the binomial distribution? First of all, I would like to discuss a little bit about this. The term binomial means bi means two, nomial means terms. Binomial is a term, binomial is a letter, binomial is a word taken from Latin dictionary. And the meaning of in our Britannian language is that bi means two, nomial means terms. Binomial distribution. So, if I say you that probability of your success in any examination is P, and probability of failure in that examination is Q, then the sum of this total probability is equal to 100%, means 1, means P plus Q is equal to 1. Here you are saying that P plus Q is equal to 1. So P is equal to 1 minus Q, or Q is equal to 1 minus Q. And there was a formula in binomial theorem. You should recall that in the extension of a plus x whole to the power n, the general term or r plus 1th term is equal to NCR into a to the power n minus r into x to the power r. So, utilizing this concept of binomial theorem and the general or r term, we can see the application of binomial distribution in your stats. So let us see the material I am sharing for your more benefit. This is the binomial Poisson's and normal distribution. And probability distribution is why important, because we use probability distribution because they fit lot of data in real world. And this is the concept about random variable that is generally used in binomial or Poisson's or normal distribution. The mathematical rule that assign a given numerical value to each possible outcome of an experiment in the sample of interest. That is random variable. Type of random variables you know well. This is discrete random variable and continuous random variable. Means if your variable is taking a particular value that is discrete, and if the values are going to be changed with respect to the, you can say, as per the need of the calculation, then the distribution is continuous. So binomial distribution, that is also random variable, Bernoulli random variable. This is success S and failure F. So the success and failure both, as I told you, p plus q is equal to 1, so q is equal to p minus 1. And tossing a coin, then what is the probability of coming head and what is the probability of coming tail? You can utilize this concept by getting this. And this is the overview of binomial by tossing a coin. And this is the result. Px is equal to factorial n divided by factorial x into factorial n minus x into p to the power x into q to the power n minus x, where this result, this is the number of ways to obtain success, obtain x success in trial, and lambda is equal to this. The Poisson distribution is what? The mean number of success from the trial is mu is equal to n into p. This is also very much important for you. This is the Poisson distribution's result. You should remember this result. And overview of Poisson's distribution. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is binomial, Poisson's, and what is the, here is normal distribution. It was derived by Gauss in 1809. First of all, how the height of a given large number of factors, both genetics and environmental, which are additive because are decided. You can find this, and there is a formula that is very much important here, and you should remember this, that the density function is divided by fx is equal to this. And however, the probability of this lies between this and the function that is taken for the consideration is limit of integration from x1 to x2 fx. So student, this session, digital session 2.0 is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, you should write your comment in the comment box, and I shall try to resolve your query. Thank you for enjoying.